Hey everyone, Gil at graymanprepping. This episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about sausage. Alright, so what I'm talking about sausage is where you get it pre-cooked and stuff. Well, let me just look at it this way. Sausage is better if you make it yourself and you're able to can it yourself. Alright, first thing there. One of the things that I don't have the ability here to make it myself or the time. I buy, I get stuff from, Sam's Club, the patties, the links, and over at Costco they had it in turkey. So adding this to your preps, it keeps a good long while. It's already totally cooked already, so it lasts longer in the fridge than normally would, and it lasts even longer when you freeze it, and then it lasts even longer if you go ahead and can it. Now Tammy over at Rebel Canner said a good way of doing the patties, you get one of those one of the tapered jars, one of the small ones, and you just stack it up in there. You add some broth to it, and then you can it, and it keeps for years and years. And you can do the same thing with the links. Just stick a bunch of links down in there, add a little pork broth to it, or even beef broth, chicken broth, whatever you want to add to it. And that'll when it comes out, you can use the broth then to make a gravy. All right, so think about it. If it works for you, add sausage to your preps. All right, take care, and I will see you next time.